What's going on, cleaning family? It's Carolyn Orlano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, I am going to be showing you how to do a post-construction cleaning walkthrough on a residential building. I'm actually about to go meet with the client right now, so stick around for the entire video. During the walkthrough process, I want to gather as much information from the client to understand the scope of work so that I can send him a quotation with enough time and enough profit for my business. So here he's explaining to me that he would like us to pick up all the trash and clean up the walkway. This is something that we would probably do with a leaf blower and some brooms and dustpans. Now, apparently there are 4 homes on this property. This is the first home, and what I'm doing is I'm taking videos, I'm taking photos, and I'm going over the scope of work with the client. So here I'm pretty much just saying, we'll be cleaning the interior of the windows. We won't be flipping them inward due to insurance reasons, and I'm pretty much letting him know that we're going to be cleaning, from top to bottom, making sure that all of the molding and the floor is taken care of. The entire point of doing a post-construction cleaning is to get all of the dust up and make it look like it's brand new and nothing ever happened. So here's the bathroom on the first floor, and I am just, recording this area, letting him know that we'll be doing the high dusting, washing everything. In this area, we're going to do the high dusting, the interior of the windows, all of the molding, and of course the floors. In the kitchen, we're going to be vacuuming and cleaning on the inside of the cabinets, on the top of the cabinets, inside of all of the drawers, and the exterior of everything. As you can see above on the cabinets, there's a large space, and above those cabinets is a lot of dust. Now we have to open every single drawer, we have to open every single cabinet, and we're going to be vacuuming everything first. We love our HEPA vacuums. I'm now taking a look in this refrigerator. We would definitely be wiping it out, but it's not something that necessarily needs a really deep cleaning, right? So now we're just showing you how to get through the home, and we're gonna head on up to the second floor. Now, when cleaning a house or an apartment like this, we would typically start all the way at the top and clean our way down. But just because we're giving a tour of this house, we're not showing it in the exact order of which we would clean. But again, we would start on that 3rd floor and we would work our way down and out of the home. So this home in particular has 3 floors. We're on the 2nd floor right now in one of the bedrooms. And we're going to be cleaning the windows, the molding inside of the closets, all of the switch plates, all of the doors. And we're going to make sure to get rid of any of the post-construction dust that might still be lingering. Now here we are headed up to the 3rd floor, and this is where we would actually be starting the cleaning on the day of the cleaning. Why do we start on the top floor? Because we want to clean our way down and out of the home. That way we never have to step foot into the room again. So that is pretty much why we always, start all the way upstairs, is because we want to work our way out of the home. Now I'm just showing you another bedroom and another bathroom area. We definitely have to clean inside of this closet. We would be grabbing a 3-step ladder and vacuuming and then mopping those shelves that you just saw. These bathroom walls would actually have to get washed from top to bottom because they are all tile, and you can really still see the dust from the construction that was going on. Now, the house may look extremely clean to you guys, but that does not mean that we're still not going to spend hours in this home cleaning, because to the naked eye, you might not see a lot of the construction dust, but it is there. Now, this is actually house number 2, 3, and 4. They are 3 homes that are built identical, and we're only going to be showing you one example. So this is the first floor. As you can see, that wood paneling all the way at the top, goes up to the ceiling. So we're gonna have to wash the front of these cabinets. We're gonna have to wash the inside of the cabinets. Over here, there is a little closet that we're gonna be cleaning the inside of, and all of those windows that you saw, those lovely windows in the kitchen. Here we have a half a bathroom on the first floor. We're going to make sure to do the high dusting. And now we're discussing these really high windows. I'm asking him if he wants them to be cleaned, from the top, making sure that his expectations meet my expectations so that I know how to quote this job, right? I'm asking him to confirm everything. Do you want the windows cleaned from the top? Do you want us to do them, from the outside? If he said yes, I would have got a window cleaning quote. And pretty much just verifying everything that the client is going to expect to have done. If we don't communicate with our client and we don't understand the scope of work and we don't understand what they expect clean to be, then how can we communicate that with our team? How can we do a good job if we don't know what the client is expecting? And how can we quote well if we don't understand what exactly we have to do and what goes into the job? Because with that information, I'll have an idea more or less how many hours will be in this home. So now we're just seeing, apartment number 2 and apartment number 3. He's telling me that on the outside of the home, we are going to have to do the windows. I was just pointing out the highlighting and letting him know that, we'll be able to get into the lighting with a Swiffer duster. Again, just kind of confirming everything and letting him know that we'll be cleaning all of these wooded shelving and the exterior of all of the cabinetry. Also, of course, inside. And typically we would vacuum the absolute hell out of this house before we start to wash things with soap and water. Post-construction is just a lot of fine dust and a lot of fine details. But if you have the right equipment, like HEPA backpacks, lots of rags, and lots of buckets and soap, then you will be absolutely fine. Now, this was a really great job opportunity to bid on, and I'm super excited to get home and send my proposal over. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to hit the like, the subscribe button. And if you guys want to learn more about the online courses, resources, and one-on-one coaching that I have available, please be sure to check out my full website, www.cleaningbusinessmentor.com.